Okay, well, fix that. It is that time again. The time that no one likes. It's the time in which you can't go fishing, which is why no one likes it. Yes, no one likes. You can't go fishing. It's just like rainy and cold. Cold enough to turn the fish bite off, and it's not quite cold enough for official safe ice over yet, so. Yeah, it's that time again. Sucks because I can't go fishing. Especially even for perch right now. Actually, it rained and snowed and all the wind is stirring up the water, so the perch are not doing good. They're not biting. There's no ice, so no ice fishing. And there's also no bass, so no bass fishing. Makes it somewhat hard to catch fish and get a good video. Luckily, me being the smart person I am, filmed a perch fishing video about 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna show you guys that now. I put it in my backstock because I didn't believe that it was, you know, that good. I really wasn't gonna upload it, but I kind of ran out of content, being that the fishing is absolute garbage. But luckily, I did not delete it. I just threw it into the backstock, and that's what you guys are gonna see today. So, future me, and you're about to hear past me in the video. So hopefully you got. Wait, what's that? What is that? Oh, the camera doesn't pick it up. Oh no. Whoa, wait a minute. Is that a little bit of shameless advertising? Maybe. But anyway, hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video, and let's dive right into it. All right. So since I don't have any light fishing gear, so like for trout and for crappie, just like panfish, I don't have a light action rod except for this, which I got when I was a kid, the Shakespeare trout combo rod. So I just took the rod, ditched the reel, I put a Fluger President on there. I got braid on there, but you know, whatever, because I'm using a perch rig, so it doesn't really matter what line I have on there. So I'm going out and meeting the guys out there. It is freezing, and I am not playing. Super, super cold. But I mean, you want to talk about urban fishing? Well, this is it right here. This is it, Steelworkers Park. These used to be ship canals. They come in, do whatever they gotta do, then leave. For those of you who are in Chicago, this is we're real close to the 87th Street slip, I believe. It damn near is the slip, actually. It's like the end of it. For whatever reason, they cut it off. Like you're not allowed to fish inside the slip anymore. It's off limits for whatever reason. So people have just basically moved to the end of the slip where you can still fish. And they've been catching some perch here. A lot of perch, actually. A lot of quality eaters. So we'll see if we can get something. We're using minnows today on the perch rig. I had to bring the Corrado DC with a jerkbait rod, or in a jerkbait, just to see if there's any smallmouth around. And what's going on, man?
Youngin, don't you work at Cabela's?
Yes, sir. Yeah. They are the people that just walked down. They all work at Cabela's too.
Oh, okay. I thought some guys looked familiar.
Yeah. What was I saying? I got a Lucky Craft pointer on a Tournament ZX rod with I think 14-pound Sunline FC Sniper. Not that that matters, because I'm really not going for bass today. Today is a perch day. You know, in the winter months of Chicago, you kind of go for perch and, you know, steelhead and stuff like that. So we're gonna let the bass rest a little bit. I just brought it just in case, just because, you know, I love bass. So we'll see. Dude, it's cold as shit. I didn't think it was gonna be this cold today.
Oh, I know. I'll leave them there. And I'll be ready to go pretty soon. Oh, I do have a... Oh, you do?
I was walking in and some dude asked me, he was like, "Don't you work at Cabela's?"
Really?
I was like, "Yeah, man. There's people who just walked earlier. They work at Cabela's." He's like, "I thought they looked somewhat familiar."
You're a camera woman for today.
Hey.
I'm shooting a video as well.
Well, at least buy me dinner first, man. Come on.
Okay.
Right through the face.
Oh my God. There.
Is there actually a goby in there?
What?
Damn. I was gonna say, how can you control the way the camera's looking?
I could just spin the cord.
There you go, bud.
That's nice.
A little fatty.
You seen one, Dan?
Oh God, I almost died.
Good. Yeah, nice one too.
I need to figure my life out right here.
Did you get yours farther out too, Dan? Mine's actually somewhat closer. I cast out far to start with. That one there? Yeah, looks like it did. Right there. Wasn't that your ultralight or your light?
Atta boy.
There you go.
See, as soon as I put that weight on there, right there, man. What? In a couple seconds. I'm the only person that ever uses braid for perch fishing, probably.
That's time to bring my monarch out. That's 10 pounds. There's one rod because usually fishing good where I don't need.
Hey, buddy. They always make that J shape when they're cold.
Yeah.
And you didn't steal my minnow wolf.
Oh, you got these aren't that big. I was gonna put a bigger one for that.
Ooh, okay, Derek. So they are farther out, huh?
Oh, I got it. They're everywhere right now. I mean, there's school coming through.
I was trying to get Brian to come today, Derek, but he was like, he couldn't. Yeah. The amount of dead my hand is after just putting it in there, bro. Huh.
Down.
What the?
That's a good one.
That's an eater. Yeah, that's an eater.
That's cool.
For sure.
That's a nice good meat on him. Tiny. He doesn't even put tag. He puts much. Alright, 14 more.
Finally. My goodness, it took me a good hour to get another one. Okay, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. As you saw, I caught a couple perch. Didn't catch anything special. And I didn't keep them just because I was planning on going out with Brian, who you guys know. I was planning on going out with him not too long, but that never happened. We were gonna do a catch and cook actually. Hopefully that'll happen pretty soon when the perch start biting again before ice up. But yeah, I mean, I'm gonna talk real quick about things that are gonna be in store on this channel for 2019 spring, summer, fall, blah blah blah. Because I've got, I mean, it's gonna be pretty sick, honestly. So come on, there you go. Stay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. I need a new Joby. These things go after like a year. Not even a year. I had this thing for like 7 months. You good? Okay. Okay. So I got a lot of things on this table. One of them is something that you're going to be seeing coming up in the spring. A little project I'm going to do that I'm really excited for. I'm going to go ahead and give you a sneak peek really quick. Ooh, wait a minute. That was a little bit too much. But let's just say that there are some modifications in store for that kayak, and hopefully gonna do with the John boat. But this table's a mess, honestly. I got like everything on here. Honestly, I have the. Wait a minute! Don't look at that. I got that tackle, all the reels that I don't have enough rods for. Shimano's 13s, and then all my rods that have reels on them or whatever. So let me stop secretly boasting about all the freaking stuff I have and get into why I'm sitting you guys down and talking. So 2019 is a new year. I know you guys hear people say new year, new me. I'm gonna live by that, honestly. It's a new year, it's a new me, new channel. Or it's gonna be a new year. It's not the new year yet. Got a couple months still, but a lot of things. I'm gonna try to take as many trips as I possibly can. Just catch as many different types of species of fish as I possibly can. Like, if you guys have any suggestions for me, like what you would want to see me catch, anything like that, please don't forget to drop that down in the comment section below. It would help me a lot to plant. What is that? I got a bag of chips in my pocket. It would help me to plan these trips coming up that I'm gonna do. You know, nothing, at least for right now, nothing out of the country, just because that's well known to be an expensive trip to leave the country and go somewhere exotic. But for now, in the States, what you want to see me catch? You want to see me catch some gar, catfish, carp, sheep's head, anything. I mean, go down to Florida, catch some peacock, maybe. Who knows? Do some saltwater fishing down in Texas again. Who knows? But there's a lot of things. I mean, I'm gonna be getting a lot of kayak modifications. I might be getting a John boat, hopefully getting a John boat either in the spring or the summer. The only thing with the John boat is I gotta well, basically buy and hook up a trailer hitch to my mom's car. And then I gotta get a trailer for the John boat. And then gotta get the John boat. And I'm kind of torn, so let me know what you guys think. If I should get a specifically made for fishing kayak before I get a John boat, or if I should get a John boat first. Because I do have a kayak, and it's not specifically a fishing kayak, but you can fish out of it because it's pretty stable. It's more stable than, you know, any other kayak that's not meant for fishing. So I don't know, I'm just torn. I think I want a John boat. Who knows? Again, who knows? But yeah, I mean, like, if you guys want to see me catch a specific type of fish species, and let me know. I'll see if I can make that happen. But for sure, I've got a lot of trips coming up in 2019. Hopefully it's gonna be a sick year. I'm trying to get better at the editing, so that should be pretty cool as well. Depending on how much support I get, I might come out with some Southside fishing apparel. Who knows? I don't know how much that costs yet. But if you guys would like to see that, just let me know down in the comments again. I'll try to make it happen. But you know, we'll start with something small, you know, maybe like some wristbands or something like that, some hats, and then if I feel that you guys are liking it, maybe I'll come out with some shirts, maybe I'll come out with some, who knows? Who knows? So it's gonna be a good year. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are excited as well. Thank you guys for all the support you've been giving me, all the likes, comments, shares on this video, everybody who subscribed. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing. It means the world to me. I mean, I'm doing what I love, trying to teach people how to fish while fishing myself. It's a fun thing. Even though YouTube is pretty hard to get going now in 2018, it's definitely worth it if you really love your passion. And I do love my passion, which is fishing, if you didn't know. So yeah. Like I said, thank you guys for the support. It really does mean a lot to me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Definitely comment down below what you guys want to see me do in this upcoming year, this upcoming 2019 year, and definitely see if I can do it. So, without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I love you all. You all are amazing. As always, fish every day.